Hi friends, today I come here with a new innovative seeds pumpkin sweet treat. Here I have some ingredients. Half a kg pumpkin, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, around 200 grams of butter, some heavy cream, a cup of milk, some mixed dry fruits like cashew nut, almonds, candied papaya, raisins, some orange peel, lemon peel, some palm sugar, spice mix like cardamom, nutmeg, clove, cinnamon, grounded together. Cup of sugar. First I am going to steam the pumpkins. Cover it and place it on a steamer. Add palm sugar and dry fruits. Mix together. Keep it aside. Flour, add a teaspoonful of baking soda, some baking powder, half teaspoon grounded spice. Mix together. Keep it aside. Now milk, 2/3 cup of sugar, boil well. Add your butter and boil well. Pumpkins are getting ready. Add a tablespoon cornstarch. Stir well. Pumpkins are cooked. Milk and sugar mix is ready. Keep it aside for cold. Get it cold. Smash your pumpkin. Take a bowl, add 2 eggs, beat it well. Lemon peel, orange peel, flour, add little, then mix. Next this one. Add pumpkin. Again mix well. Yes, nice consistency. Add vanilla. Cream. Yes, it's ready. Transfer it into the tray. First, put butter in it. Add mixer. Add dry fruits. Some more dry fruits. Some pumpkin skin. Heated oven. 180 degree, 40 minutes. Yes, it's ready to serve. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for next video. Thank you.